Few spices have been as widely recognized around the world as ginger. We love ginger so much, we use it to name our daughters and as a way to describe those peculiar people with red hair. But there's a reason why everyone we love tells us that ginger is good for us. In this video, we will discuss the background of ginger, the health benefits of ginger, the benefits of ginger tea, and I will reveal a step-by-step ginger tea recipe for you to have. But before we do, help us celebrate reaching over 100 subscribers on YouTube. Subscribe before our next upload so that you'll never miss another informative video. Okay, now for a background on this amazing plant. Ginger is a flowering plant, a herbaceous perennial which grows annual pseudostems about 1 meter tall, bearing narrow leaf blades. It's actually the root of the ginger plant that is widely used as a spice in natural medicine. Ginger grows in China, India, Africa, the Caribbean, and other warm climates. What's with the spiciness? That heat on your tongue when you eat spices such as ginger is evidence of gingerol, a substance with powerful medicinal properties. They even have an aphrodisiac effect. So, you can take ginger if you want to spice up your love life. Caution, you should avoid consuming it if you're bothered by hot flashes. Did you know that if you don't have cough drops when you feel sick, you don't have to go to the pharmacy to purchase any? You can make your own cough drops. Simply mix honey, lemon, and ginger extract in a droplet bottle. You can also vary the quantity of the ingredients as you need. Ginger root has a lot of health benefits, including number 1, reducing gas and improved digestion. Number 2, relieving nausea. Ginger can treat many forms of nausea, especially morning sickness. Number 3, easing a cold or flu. Number 4, pain relief. Ginger may reduce muscle pain and soreness. Number 5, reduce inflammation. The anti-inflammatory effects can help with osteoarthritis. Number 6, supporting cardiovascular health. Number 7, lowering cancer risk. The antioxidants in ginger eliminate free radicals that plague the body. These free radicals cause aging and cancer, regulate blood sugar. Studies have found that ginger improves blood sugar levels in people with diabetes. These and other findings show promise that ginger can treat health concerns caused by chronic diabetes. Balanced blood sugar can also prevent you from overeating. Which brings us to our final benefit of ginger, which is weight loss. Ginger may help promote weight loss when combined with a healthy diet and exercise. Studies showed that ginger suppressed obesity in rats on high-fat diets, and other studies found that men who drank a hot ginger beverage after eating felt more full for longer. Which brings us to our next section, the secret health weapon. Ginger tea. Let's discuss the benefits. It's not for the faint of heart or taste bud. Ginger tea is a potent mixture that you can almost always feel working. When brewed from fresh ginger root, the tea can be pretty spicy, so don't be afraid to add honey. This is preferred over sugar because it has its own set of benefits. Ginger tea has a high number of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. In fact, studies have shown that it can be as effective for period-related pain. The best part of all is that ginger tea is a powerful medicine that is so accessible because it's so easy to make. Let's learn how. How to make ginger tea. First things first, you need ginger. You can get fresh ginger root at most supermarkets. Grab a few roots because you might get hooked after you feel its benefits. You can wash and slice the ginger root with the skin on because the heat will purge it. I personally prefer to peel the ginger root. Anyway, the choice is yours. If you are brewing a single cup, you can break off a cluster the size of 2 adult fingers. If you will be sharing with another, you can use a piece the size of 3 adult fingers. You can simply place the sliced ginger root in a small pot with the amount of water you will need for your teacup. I prefer to blend mine because I kind of like that kick in the back of my throat feeling. Also, the smaller the particles, the easier it will be for the water to absorb the nutrients. If you choose to blend the ginger, use the water you would have placed in the pot. After you have blended the ginger in the water, pour it into the pot and bring it to a boil. You don't need to overboil the mixture. As a matter of fact, you should avoid it because the steam vapor can carry off some of the nutrients through the steam. When you are ready to transfer it to your cup, place a fine strainer over your cup and pour the tea through the strainer into the cup. Once you fill your cup, you can add lemon or a bit of honey to your liking and enjoy this wonderful drink with amazing health benefits. We would love to hear from you. If you have any little known natural remedy to share, please leave them in the comments below. If you think this video helps, give us a thumbs up. If you subscribe and activate the notification bell, we will always let you know when there is another helpful video that comes out. Remember, stay healthy, stay happy.